Hello YouTube, and welcome to Useapalooza with me, the inconsistent crafter. Today I'm going to be working on a pretty ambitious project. This is going to be my Simpsons journal, scrapbook, whatever. So this is what I'm going to use for the cover, and this is the book I'm going to use for my journal. So, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip out some pages to make it a bit smaller. And then basically I'm just going to start Simpsoning through this whole ginormous thing. I've been saving this catalog for a long time. So I'm glad that I finally have something to do with it. And like I said, it's going to be pretty ambitious. This thing probably weighs 10 pounds. At least 5 anyway. So yeah, you know the drill. Enjoy. Okay, so as you see, we took out quite a bit. Maybe you can't see. We took out quite a bit, if you see the edge there. So we took out quite a few pages here. We might have to take out some more, but for now, I'm just going to start painting. Maybe I'll gesso it first. Gesso, whichever you want. And then we'll go from there. Really? Oh. Well, I'm glad I didn't record any of that. Okay, so I think I've done all that I can for now. I mean, I've used all my Simpsons stuff that I had in a box, but if I find more stuff, I can always add to it later. So this one should be pretty short too, actually. But what I did here is I used a dollar store bag. Actually, I don't think it was a dollar store bag. I think it was like a $5 bag I bought at a comic book store. and I glued it to the cover. And then on the inside, we got this page here that I drew from one of the Simpsons books. I also have this one painted on a larger canvas too. Whoa. And then this is a watercolor of the, the boat picture behind the couch. This is my first one, so, I mean, I know it's not perfect, but I thought I'd throw it in anyway. No! Oh, it came unglued! Man! Well, clearly I should have let that dry first. So, at least I f***ed all that up. Now I gotta bleep that. Anyway, we'll figure that part out, I guess, because it didn't work out the way I wanted it to. But maybe once it dries. So this is a painting I did of when Homer was smoking the weed. Actually, no, this isn't. This is when he was really, really tired from working at Quickie Mart for Lisa's Pony. But it looks like he's stoned. And then I put this on there, which is also from the bag. And then this I didn't want to glue down because I thought maybe it'd be worth something later. It's just a cute little folder from the 90s, early 90s. So I just put it in a regular little baggie and then added some stuff there. And then this is my Halloween page for my kid robot I got. I got the Marge, which is one that I wanted, so I'm happy. I really want Maggie, like a lot. But I also put all my Halloween washies on there. I think it turned out pretty cute. And this one is just another kid robot thing. Which one did we get here? Oh, we got Cletus, I think. So I gave it to Brian. Yeah. And then this was a bunch of ones they had at the dollar store that are like now selling on eBay for $5 a piece. So I wish I would have bought more of those then, but hindsight and all that. And I think that's all I've done so far, except the back we'll check out, where these were a pair of old boxers of Brian's that were starting to fall apart. Then I cut out the stuff and put it in here. It says if you don't do anything, you'll never make mistakes. So clearly it all still needs to dry, and there's some more things that I need to add to it that I can do later. But that's it for this episode of Useapalooza. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm glad this is a giant book because, I'm a huge Simpsons fan, so I'm going to have lots of stuff to put in this over the years. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching this episode of Useapalooza with me, the Inconsistent Crafter, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great day.